Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to choose a template for your Dataczar Connect website at Dataczar.com. So let's go to Dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. Let's get our email address and our password. So that's going to take us to Dashboard on the main menu. To work on your website, you're going to click on the Website button. This is where all the editing tools are. For posts, for adding or editing a post, adding or editing a page. Today we're going to go to Settings. And Settings is where we have the templates. Also, you can add a background image right here. So we're going to be showing a lot with the background image, so I wanted to make sure you know where to load the background image. So right now we're on the main template. Let's go ahead and look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're going to use the public preview URL to look at that. So this is the website here with the main template with the background image. Now, if you have a domain, your domain's going to show right here. You could click on that to preview your website. However, if you're working on your website, that could take up to 3 to 4 minutes to update because it goes to servers all around the world, whereas the public preview URL goes to the main server, so it updates very quickly. It just goes to the one server. So let's try a different template. Here's the drop down. We have 24 different templates. Let's go ahead and choose a few of these with the background image, and then I'm going to show you without the background image. So first let's pick Cosmo, and we're going to scroll down and click Update. And let's just let it load for a second here, and we'll click the public preview. And there's Cosmo. You can see it has a nice blue top and bottom menu and has the white inside here. Let's go ahead and choose a couple more. So Cosmo, we're going to pick Cyborg next. Click Update. And then just pause a second, just let it load. And let's click the public preview URL. And you can see this has a different blue, and this also has the darker on the inside. And let's do a couple more. Let's go to Dark and Stormy. This one's very interesting. A lot of people like the dark and stormy. Let's give it just a minute or just a second to load. We'll click the public preview URL. And you can really see the background image on this one. It's very transparent. And it's on different pages, it's not as. So this is a good one to definitely check out on the dark and stormy. Let's go back here. And let's pick one more, and let's pick Slate. So go Slate, Update, and let's just let it load. And we'll click the public preview URL, and there's Slate. Slate, you don't see the background image on Slate, but it also looks really cool. So we have Slate, Dark and Stormy, Cyborg, I believe Cyborg, Cosmo, I believe, and we have our main. Now to view without the background image, we're going to go to our help page. We're going to go over here, help.dataczar.com. So this is our FAQ page, so if you have any questions, this is a really good source to go to. And today we're going to go to the website and how to use a website template. Let's go ahead and click that. And these are the different templates. There's 24 different templates that you can preview here. Here's the main template. So this is how it looks when you first start working on your website. You have a welcome post and, you know, the top and bottom menu, it's all white. Let's go ahead and look at the other templates that we loaded. We loaded Cosmo. This is Cosmo without the background image. And Cyborg without the background image. And Dark and Stormy without the background image. And, oops, let's find Slate. There it is. And there's Slate without the background image. So we have Slate, Dark and Stormy. We have Cyborg, Cosmo, and main. So again, help.dataczar.com for your FAQ and also for viewing your website templates. And then these are the templates that we loaded with the background image one more time. We have our home, cyborg, Cosmo. We have our dark and stormy, and we also have our slate. So again, to add the background image, you go down here, and let's go ahead and go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how you choose a template for your Dataczar Connect website with Dataczar Connect.